welcome to today's video. We are starting off in the bedroom today, just giving it a good hoover. Today's video is in a collaboration with the Dustpan and Brush store, so they kindly sent me over 3 of their viral TikTok products, or just viral products, to test out. So we're starting off in the bedroom today, testing out the rubber brush, which is meant to be really good for getting fur off the carpet that the vacuum isn't able to pick up. So that is what we're starting off with. This worked really well on getting into like the deep parts of the carpet that the hoover wasn't able to get to. Also going to move the bed around, as this is where the plug sockets are and it kind of just fits better here, but I'm still not kind of sure what layout I want in the bedroom. And I also want a new bed. This is far too high for Cooper to jump onto. Downstairs, we're just going to give the kitchen a quick wipe down with the Flash spray and then bleach the sink. I haven't bleached the sink since moving in this house, and sometimes you just really need to bleach your sink. Now we're going to move on to the floors, which are like the main event of today's video. So we're starting off with the viral floor scrubbing brush. So I've seen this all over TikTok and Instagram, and honestly I didn't expect it to bring up as much dirt, but then also it's not exactly unexpected because my house is full of pets and muddy paws constantly from taking Cooper out, and he gets muddy on every single walk that he goes on. So I'm just using the Flash pet floor cleaner, and I'm using this to scrub the floors, and you'll be able to just see all the dirt that it picks up, and then I'm just soaking up the excess with my usual Veleda mop. This is not one of those products that you're going to use every day, because this took me a good 40 minutes just full on scrubbing the floor, so this is definitely a deep clean kind of product. And by the end of it my shoulder was sore because I was scrubbing the floors that much, but it does work wonders to get all of the mud and the dirt off the floor. also testing out the mop and bucket. I've also seen this everywhere and I was really intrigued to try it. I'm using the Flash pet floor cleaner again with the mop and bucket that they kindly sent over, and we're just gonna flat mop the rest of the downstairs with this. So the kitchen, the living room and the downstairs bathroom, and also just quickly going upstairs and doing the upstairs bathroom too. To the downstairs shower room, the glass in here gets really dirty with like hard water, so we're just going to scrub that with some Cif cream cleaner that's in the Dishmatic, and then we go on with just a Elite Shower Shine spray, that's really hard to say, and the Astonish window and glass cleaner. Also going to declog the sink in this bathroom, as it just was not, the plug was not working at all. So I've just got this drain unblocker from Waitrose to pop down the plug once I've got rid of all of the dirt and grime that was stuck in the plug hole. So yeah, if you haven't cleaned your plugs recently, this is a note to do that, because it makes such a difference when using the sink. The last part of today's video is just giving the living room a quick wipe down, and then using the dustpan and brush store mop and bucket to wipe the floors with this. As you can see, I have Cooper and Harriet just chilling, so I didn't want to disturb them too much. So we're just mopping our way out of the living room. So definitely check out the products that I've used today, and thank you again to the dustpan and brush store for sending these over for me to try. And that is it for today's video. Thank you all so much for watching, and I'll see you again soon. Bye.